What you got in the bag? Huh? Who's in the bag? We're going. Watch where you're going. Hello. Hi. There's nobody in there. Boo Boo, you're blocking the baby.
Yeah. Hi.
What you got in the bag? What's in there? Who's in there? It's Tigger, a sock, and a pig. You got Tigger. Can I get the pig and the sock out? What do you want me to do with it? You get him out. You put him in there. No. Get the pig. Where's the pig? Madeline, you gonna get the pig out? All right.